Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
Zagga's out.
Zagga's out.
Yeah, it's just.
Zagga's out.
All right.
Zagga's out.
You can use that. Can you stop? Stop. Zagga's out mean big ass.
A big ass.
Zagga's out. Zagga's out. Zagga's out.
Did it mean it before that, or you just made it mean that?
No, it's mean that. Before that.
Before that.
Now that's slang.
I'm Ashanti. I'm Ashanti. Somebody don't shoot me. I'm Ashanti. You can go to Ghana and ask them what Zagga's mean and they tell you.
Beenie Man. What is wrong with Beenie Man, boy? Yo, think how much time Beenie Man used the word zagga. He might up on stage and he might yell at the bandsman and him say zagga. Somebody yell Beenie Man and him answer back and him say zagga. Also, we see Jamal pan the fix. Yo, who remember when CMR used to say, yo, anybody will put them brand a Vybz Kartel foot, them last in the race. You see me? Because Vybz Kartel a drain them energy. Right now, we see Vybz Kartel sing over Ballondor. And right now, Jamal cut well left skipper. Right now, Skippa and Jamal down there in the same league again, you know. We're going to talk about that, you see me? Yo, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like up the video, you see me?
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
On Girl Them Sugar with Maya and Pharrell.
Yeah.
What the fuck is a Zagga's out?
Zagga's out.
Zagga's out.
Yeah, it's just.
Zagga's out.
All right.
Zagga's out.
You can use that. Can you stop? Stop.
Alright, at 2025, I promise myself I'm not doing a long video. I want this stop at 8 minutes or 9 minutes, you see me? So yo, Beenie Man, I don't know what Beenie Man I do to him career, what Beenie Man I do to him legacy, but it don't look good. You see, right now, him even hold on the crown and people are going to compare him to Vybz Kartel. Right now, people are going to compare Vybz Kartel, interview them to Beenie Man interview, and it don't look good. Beenie Man look like him drunk. Beenie Man look like, you know, some Rasta man up on the beach where a renter dread, like when them see tourists, them start twang. Hey ma'am, what's up? I saw Beenie Man sound like him a twang, but him a some countryman twanging like it no sound real. It does sound like some 90s twanging, like when people are twanging in the 90s. I saw him sound, you see me? And the man them there laugh off him, you know. The question what them ask, you know, is a question where them are troll him, you know. So them themselves know say yo, there's nothing when they know when him no zagga. So Beenie Man should have even can answer better and say yo, I just the slang man, I just my thing. You see me? So right now people are say yo, Beenie Man, yeah, lose it. You see me? Yeah, lose the legacy. Everything just don't look good. From Vybz Kartel found out and make the one talk. I want talk Vybz Kartel make, you know. Him say if you want to take the crown which is out, so that you know this tune say I'm out. That's all Vybz Kartel son, all hell break loose. Everybody a crown, everybody king, and you see me? So that's how me have to say about that. It don't look good Beenie Man. You see me? But Zagga mean shake ass. How much time you go up on stage? How much time people link you and you answer about Zagga? Zagga. You see me? So it don't make no sense and it low. It why? Next thing we want to talk about Jamal. Who noticed that Jamal him now like a mainstream artist right now. So Vybz Kartel always I said Jamal tune Ballondor him favorite song and him sing it couple time. You see him a rock to it, I say him a endorse Jamal found on Freedom Street. All of that what Vybz Kartel do, Jamal is like a old soul artist right now. Him is no longer an underground artist. Only more people when know Vybz Kartel, know Jamal right now. You couldn't say that back when Vybz Kartel they are prison and Jamal and Skippa always on the trending chart. You want me prove it? Alright, remember when Sean Storm, me always call Sean Paul Sean Storm. Yo, remember when Sean Storm just found out of prison and him do this song New Name for Loyalty, and Sean Storm did a rule and I say yo, man them a buy views and they are number one. Remember say Jamal and Skippa them they are number one, you know. You see me? Them man they always they are number one. So when them man they say yo, the man them a buy views Jamal and Skippa. But nobody not really pre Jamal and Skippa them like that now. Underground artists them there, you know. So me not even know if that make teacher I start look pan Jamal or him, me no know. But from Vybz Kartel start sing Jamal song them and start endorse Jamal, more eyes gone pan Jamal song them. Remember say when Jamal ballondor, they are #1 and them a ball and us to buy views and something. Remember say after the trending expire, like the song they up there for about like 4 weeks and drop off. Remember so when the man go to Freedom Street, it go on back on the chart, you know. You never see that yet, you know. Like a tune completely come off of the chart and it enter it back on #1. So right now, whole heap of people can say them know Jamal and can sing Ballondor word for word like how Vybz Kartel and sing it word for word. And ask them a skippa song right now.
Knock on the client door. Cap and boss, you not see me in the Japan clothes. Ballondor.
First of all, you have to tell me, how did that connection happen? Like, you know, was it long time, or is just since him come out and
I just see energy, man, you know. Yeah, man, I just see type of music that we are doing, you know. Father just connected to the music too and just give you some energy back. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, you see it?
so he seemed like him really liked that song. Like, did he tell you like, yo, Ballondor?
Yeah, man, him tell the world say I'm favorite song. You see what I say? Yeah, man, respect teacher, big up Vybz Kartel. You see what I say? Yeah, 3-9 I could do.
Yes, sir. Even when you run out, you say a Gaza, you say a long time.
So back to my question now. Who remember when CMR used to say, yo, if you put your brand against Vybz Kartel, yeah, water down your thing and Vybz Kartel are drain your energy. Long time him used to say that. Long time in him prime. Way before him start showing that to them favoritism. You see me? Him used to forward out and say, yo, young artists, don't put on a brand. Like, for example, you would say, yo, Dunce Gaza or Gaza Dunce. You see me? Like I say, yo, don't put a brand to it. And we see Vybz Kartel forward out now. And he say, he might go start recruit back artists, you see me? New Gaza artists. And a whole heap of people are look to Vybz Kartel right now for Vybz Kartel sign them. You know, see Vybz Kartel put Jamal mainstream now and him not even do a collab with him. Remember so when Vybz Kartel do collab with Massacre, them the time the Massacre go mainstream, you know. Same thing when him do the collab with Squash, you know. Squash them turn mainstream artists, you know. No longer no chopping alone, you know. Them on the mainstream. So when Vybz Kartel do a collab with an artist, yeah, them thing highlight different. So that Vybz Kartel do. Same thing, alright. Remember when DJ Khaled, they make Shano sing the song? And Shano in the dark room, it go viral and it start sell on iTunes and something. Or something like that Vybz Kartel do to Jamal. You see me? But me I tell you, CMR used to talk something. CMR say, yo, if you put a brand to Vybz Kartel, you can't pass Vybz Kartel, so you lily down your thing. You see me? Like him say, yo, you can't say Gaza G6, cause at them time the him used to say it when squash them. I say Gaza G6. As Skilly Bang we see forward out and start big up Vybz Kartel. Straight and Skilly Bang I go up on Hot 100 and I get gold collab with Nicki Minaj and change the narrative. The man say when Vybz Kartel collab with a young artist, Vybz Kartel I drain them energy. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. You see me?
I'm Ashanti. I'm Ashanti. Somebody don't shoot me. I'm Ashanti. You can go to Ghana and ask them what zagga mean.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.